Yo everyone, and welcome back to Rain City. I've had a bit of time to cool off now, and also I completed the space adventure game over here on the right, and I got a token up on the top right, so I should be able to get tobacco from this place now. It's a vending machine selling green tea, cola, and tobacco, and I can use that to get some tobacco, hopefully. Tobacco! And then I can give that to this guy who wants cigarettes. Or yours, king. And then he should give me a candle. I'll take that ladder. Alright. Time to commit arson. I just light the band on fire. Okay. Smoke detector. Alright. Okay, I got a toilet roll. I'm now going to... where do I put this? Hang on. I thought I had this down packed, so I could put... Aha! Yo! This is gonna shut you motherfuckers up. This is such an extreme way to put an end to a party. Yeah, get out of here. I want to spend time with my sister. Bitch. Wait till you see me when I want to spend time with my brother. I will actually kill people. Alright, I put an end to the party. Some may say it was slightly extreme. Those people are wrong. Look at me, I got my caddies back. Dude, I'm so good at games. Yo, were you the one who lit fire to the apartment upstairs? Okay, you're not talking to me. Yo, bro, how about paying that rent? So this guy wanted me to put an end to the party because... so he would pay rent. It's finally quiet. You convinced that rabbit he's a character. I was too scared to approach him. Here's the rent. I'm a man who keeps his word. I can finally write a code in peace. Yeah, bro, give me your money. Give me your fucking money. I realized I probably could have just mugged him. It seems I go to this extreme anyway, by lighting a fire inside us. There you go, king. You really got the rent from the alpaca. That stubborn alpaca wouldn't open the door no matter how many times I knocked. Alright, I'll give you the key to the attic. There's a strange old man living up there, so if there's something you want to ask him, go ahead. Oh, dude, I cannot wait to ask the strange old man. I like how this guy knows someone's living in his attic. Oh, yeah, that's just some strange guy. Get out of my way, pig lady. God, you're ugly. Open. I'm opening. I'm opening my heart. It's the next morning, so if I sound a little croaky, it's because I woke up about an hour ago. Anyway, let's go talk to the strange old man that is probably with my little sister. Yo. Hey, strange old man. It's a Kawasaki helicopter. Hang on, where's the... oh, wait, hang on, the attic's up there. Okay. I'm not quite completely stupid. What? Bruh. Also, this isn't really an attic, this is the roof. Not that I'm one to pick, Not that I'm one to nitpick or whatever. The joke is I nitpick all the time. Okay. Alright. Is that wrong? I'm sorry. What's the problem here? That's correct. Oh, no, it's not. No, that's correct. Why is this piece so massive? Excuse me. Why is this so difficult? Did I do it right? 3, 2, 5, 3, and 1. Oh, it's got to be like that. I get it. Okay, I get it. So I can move that one there, and that one there. And that way I've got 3 on that line. And then I can move that one there, that one there. Excuse me. Go in. Yep. You just go in as well. Okay. That means I can move this one there as well. Alright. This one can be 2, which means I can do that. Alright, yeah. Okay. And then I can move that one there. And that one there. Bro, I'm so smart. God, I'm smart. I'm like the smartest person this side of the cosmos. Alright, I've got a bunch of useless things that are definitely going to come in useful in the future. So I'm looking forward to using them. Much like I used that one guy. For oral sex. I want to issue an apology. For real, for real. It's a classic helicopter. Your mum's a classic helicopter. I mean, technically she's everything because she merged with a light and became God. You're Leah's brother! I think she went home because I haven't seen her in a few days. Oh man, is my sister being kidnapped? Classic sister move. Well, yeah. When you throw yourself at every male, you'll eventually run into problems. I heard about the factory from her, but outsiders aren't allowed, so I would guess she gave up and went home. Also, is it true you sleep with her? No? Okay. Are you still planning to ask about the factory? Alright, it's faster to fly, so wait for the helicopter to be fixed. The helicopter's core parts are broken. We have to place them with the new ones. There is a total of 7 parts like this. Go find them. Oh my gosh. This motherfucker. Yo, can you just do everything? Yo, can you just do everything for me? That's really cool of you. What do you want? What? Alright, how do I get this out? Alright, so I've got to turn off the electricity somehow. So I got to head in here. I remember now. Which one? Also, I guessed that by saying the chord. I just want to make that clear. How do I... Oh, I know. Yo, based. I'm so smart. God, I'm so smart. Anyway, the reason I wanted to tell you is because I didn't look up a playthrough or anything. Like a walkthrough. I like to do games just like games, you know what I mean? Though I do think the sister was kidnapped. Because in like the cover art, there's a bunch of rats, and I'm imagining they were the ones who kidnapped the sister. Hence how I came up with that theory. I could be completely wrong. I have no fucking clue. What did I just do? See, now that I've pointed out I didn't do a playthrough, I'm gonna like look at a walkthrough. People are gonna get suspicious. For real, for real. Okay, hang on. What is this? Yo, what is this? Alright, is there any other pieces? Kind of... I wonder what's under the lid. Alright, so I do actually need to... Fine. Okay, I get it. So I'll move that there. Alright, that's in the right place. That much, maybe? No. Okay, let's go to the next one along. Come on down. Okay, alright. I think this does actually need to go over one more. Oh, okay, yeah, that's in the right place. Okay, let's give it a shot. What is the bottom one? Okay. Yeah, it's still recording. Based. Okay. Okay. So, do I need to make that go up one more? No, I think that was right before. Alright, I think I'm going to be stuck doing this for a really long time. So smash that subscribe and watch all my videos right now. Tune in next time for when I've hopefully worked this out. But